Hi guys, look what I found. Just driving past down the street. I found this a couple of streets away. So they've obviously left it out for the scrap man, but I got there first. It's a Dell Optiplex 3010. I googled it. It's supposed to have Windows 7 i5 4GB card memory. As you can see here, it comes minus the power supply, and I think there was something plugged in this port here, modem or something or another. Okay, let's take the cover off. Let's have a look inside. Memories in there anyway. Let's have a look at that. See what it is. One stick of RAM. As you can see here, it's exactly, where is it? It's 4GB of RAM. So I'll just pop that back in. I'm not going to take the dismantle the CPU. I'm assuming it's there. Put that memory in the right way around. So funny enough, it comes with the hard drive, which is, just pop that off and have a closer look. Yep, it is indeed a Toshiba 500GB SATA hard drive. We'll have a look at that later. Let's pop that back in here. Let's clip that back in. Put the serial ATA cable back on. I've managed to find a power supply, an ATX power supply, 500 watt with SATA power cables. So I'm going to try this, see if it fits in okay, which it does. And then it just needs to be screwed in. I've got a little collection of screws here, so I'll just flip this, just show you the screw here. This needs 4 of these, so I'll just flip the case up and secure the power supply. It's just 4 screws on the top here, or 4 screws in the back. Now that's secured, I just got to put the connections on. The main white socket plugs onto here. That's the main power supply to the main board. So I'll just pop that on. And then the hard drive. Pop that on, see if that works. Pop the power cable onto that, see if that works. And then it's just the CD-ROM. Just a matter of popping the wire onto that as well, the connection for the power. Just double check all the connections here. And for this blank spot, I've got a few cards. I've got a Wi-Fi card, dual band PCI Express adapter, which will fit in there. I don't know what was taken out of there, obviously, because I've just found it. And I've got this PCI Express dual band wireless adapter, which I'll use to fill in the PCI Express port. Just slots into this little black socket here. These are sometimes screwed in on some computers, but they'll like to keep things simple, so it just clips on. This bracket holds the whatever adapters you've got in here in place. Oh, and there's this 12 volt Molex connector, I think it's called, which plugs onto the motherboard. And once that's all done, I'll just make sure the fans are free. Don't want any wires catching on the CPU fan or any. So I'll just flip the unit up and just tuck these aerials out of the way. As you can see, I fitted the power supply and the PCI Express Wi-Fi adapter into these slots, and it's got an onboard HDMI cable, which I'm just plugging in here. HDMI output, sorry, and then I'll just plug the power supply in there. Turn it on. Oh, looks good. The fan spinning, CPU fan spinning, but nothing on the monitor as oh, hang on, I've got these default settings. So what I'll do with this, I'll go and press F2. I'll press F2 on the keyboard, which will take me into the BIOS settings, and can't quite see it here, but I've set the time and date which we're out, and as I'm looking through the BIOS I can see that it can see the devices. So reboot it, give that a try, and that's the Dell Pulse screen here. See what happens here. Oh, and as you can see, a little swirl in there, so it's obviously found the hard drive and found Windows. See what happens here. Just waiting for it to complete loading or whatever it's doing. Wow, up and running, and it's not even password locked. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have a play with this, see what I can find, and like I said, it's just a computer someone's thrown away, and I've just drive past someone's house and seen it outside waiting for the scrap man. With that, thanks for watching once again. Please subscribe, I'll let you know how I get on with this.